When we think of pro athletes, it's usually as celebrities, but what many don't know are the struggles and addictions that some have gone through. Lindsay Ward has more now on an organization telling local teens that there's more to athletes than just fame.
Ray Sidnor, a former professional football player who once played with Franco Harris and Terry Bradshaw with the Pittsburgh Steelers, had it all.
I played on probably the greatest Steeler team ever, but along the way I made some bad choices. I did, and I didn't have the proper role models in my life.
He said he did drugs for about 20 years, which ultimately shortened his NFL career. And now instead of talking about the successes in his football career, he's just one of many former pro athletes hoping to positively influence today's youth.
So when I talk to kids, I don't want any of them to leave the assembly and say that they didn't know the dangers of drugs and alcohol and the dangers of making bad decisions.
He's doing something significant for the first time in his life besides signing the back of checks and autographs.
Bill Alexson, CEO and founder of Sports Power International, a faith-based group dedicated to keeping teens away from drugs and alcohol, uses former pro athletes like Sidnor to get teens listening.
It's a good thing that we tell them, hey, you're significant because God says you are. He's got a plan for your life, and you can make an impact on other people. And you'll be shocked how many players respond to that.
And a lot of the players that end up participating in Sports Power International are former players, and these are guys that have come through the ranks of these various teams throughout the years, and we've seen a lot of great things happen in their lives personally, and then when they finish their basketball careers, they can work in a ministry like this, and it makes such a difference.
Lindsay Ward, 6 News.